In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write mini essays in Obsidian. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable workflow that keeps your ideas organized and makes writing fast and focused. First, head to the Obsidian website to get oriented and open your workspace. If you already have Obsidian set up, simply launch the app and you're ready to go. We're going to keep everything tidy from the start so you can find and review your writing later without digging around. Create a new folder in the left sidebar. This folder will be the home for all your mini essays, so give it a clear, memorable name like mini essays. Consistency helps a lot here. If you plan to write regularly, consider a simple naming convention for notes later, such as topic plus date, so sorting and searching stay effortless. With your folder created, add a new note directly inside it. Give the note a descriptive title that captures your main topic. This title will guide your thesis and help you stay on track while writing. You can keep the title brief and specific. Think of it as the headline you'd be happy to see in your notes list. Start your note with an introduction section. You can type introduction as a heading to make it stand out. In 2 or 3 sentences, set the context and state the core idea or question your mini essay will address. Keep it punchy and promise a clear takeaway. A strong intro tells your future self and your readers why this note exists. Move on to the body. This is where you develop your key points, ideally in 1 to 3 short paragraphs. Use subheadings if it helps structure your thinking, and keep each paragraph focused on a single idea. If you have related notes, link them with double brackets so you can trace your reasoning later. Keep the language concise and evidence-driven, and don't be afraid to add a quick example to anchor the concept. Wrap up with a conclusion. Briefly restate the main point and what the reader should remember or do next. This isn't the place to introduce new arguments, just distill the essence. If you want to keep exploring the topic, you can add a link to a related note or a tag for easy retrieval. That's it, a dedicated folder, a new note, and a simple 3-part structure. Introduction, body, conclusion. Use this same format every time to write faster, think clearer, and build a connected library of insights in Obsidian.